Turn the car off. All right, throw the keys out the window.
On August 16, 2023, a deputy was conducting radar enforcement and observed an orange pickup truck traveling at 89 miles per hour in a 45 zone. When the deputy attempted a traffic stop, the driver fled, turning off the truck's lights and cutting down a side street to try to evade the officer. Here's what happened next.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep going. Keep walking backwards. Stop. Take 2 steps to your right. To your right. Perfect. Now walk backwards. Keep going. 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 All right, stop. Get on your knees. Do you have any weapons on you? Huh? Okay. All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Yep. Anyone else in the car? Hang on. We'll go. 10-4, 1 to 10. All right, man. Go ahead and stand up.
Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, no, it was kind of tough on my knees, sir.
Okay, man. I'm going to go ahead and pat you down real quick.
Yep.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Okay, anything that's going to hurt me?
No, sir.
All right. Spread your feet. What's your name?
Sir?
Okay. Why were you running?
I really wasn't running. I was just trying to get home, to be honest with you.
Okay. Go ahead and take a seat for me.
I was going to have a beer, a couple shots, and...
Okay. It smells like you already have. All right, go ahead and put your feet in.
Just being honest, sir.
I gotcha. All right, I'll lead. All right, clear. Hey, James. Don't hop out. But, let me read this to you since you're in the back of a cop car handcuffed, okay?
Miranda rights.
Yeah, it's going to be a Miranda warning, okay? Yeah, what I need from you is a loud, clear verbal yes or no that you understand when I ask, okay?
Of course.
Alrighty. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
I'll talk to you.
You want to answer questions?
Well, I'll answer whatever I can. To be honest with you, like dude, trust me. I went to my friend's house and had a beer with him and his wife, and was heading back home to have another beer or a shot or two at home, like 2 miles down the street. But it is what it is. It's fine.
I gotcha. So
I was still in the wrong. So
it's fine. Out of curiosity, why did you cut your lights off when you turned down this road? Were you trying to avoid the stop?
To be honest, yes, sir.
You were? Okay.
So I've done well for so long, and I literally just let everybody who had my back down.
I gotcha. Well, listen, man.
Other than that, I was in the wrong. I'm not going to deny that.
So you heard my lights or my sirens and saw my lights?
I did not hear your sirens. I saw your lights.
Oh, okay. But you knew I was going after you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, who else goes after anybody else doing besides the normal speed limit on Marinos Manor?
Yeah, you were going
or
almost
Marinos
90.
Boulevard. Well, when it comes down to it,
yeah,
I mean, I've watched people do 85 down my house on Marinos Manor, and Officer Carpenter say, "Oh, we can't be everywhere at once."
Yeah,
I'm Officer Carpenter.
Hey, how we doing, sir? Yeah, no, you know me. You know me. I'm being honest, sir.
I've been pulling people over in front of your house all the time. So,
Officer Carpenter, am I lying right now? I was in the wrong.
100%. 100%. So,
I am not trying to hide anything.
Real quick, was one beer the only thing you had? Did you have anything else?
I had a double shot and a beer. I had dinner, and I went to my friend's house and had a beer. And I was on my way home.
Because I am detecting some signs of impairment from you, and I smell alcohol coming from your breath.
I can understand.
Would you be willing to perform field sobriety exercises?
I will try. I'm not going to deny it.
Okay, you're willing to try it?
Yes, sir.
You're not going to take off running on foot on me, are you?
If I were to deny your field sobriety test, it would make me guilty right away. So.
Okay, it's up to you whether you want to do them, though.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't force you.
No.
Do you want to do them?
Yes, sir.
Or perform some field sobriety exercises? Okay.
Do I got to be handcuffed while I do?
No, not at all.
I'm just being honest.
My question to you is, are you going to take off running on foot from me?
Hell no.
Okay. Because I will write a warrant for your arrest, and I'll tell you.
No, you ain't gonna worry about that, sir.
Okay.
No.
All right, go ahead and hop out. If you need help, just let me know. Do you have shoes in the truck?
Yeah.
Huh? Do you have shoes in the truck?
I do have flip-flops. Yeah.
Yeah, flip-flops. Well, if at any time you do feel like you need to have your shoes on, go ahead and let us know, and we'll grab them for you. Okay?
Yeah, no. You guys are good.
Hang on, I don't want to hurt you. So.
No, you're straight.
Nope. Almost. Alrighty, favor, put your feet together like this, hands down by your side. Perfect. Don't move until I tell you to, okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. Keeping your head still. Keeping your head still. Look at and follow this stimulus. So it's going to be the tip of my pen right here, okay?
Okay.
With your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Keep looking at the stimulus until told the exercise is over, but don't move your head. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't move your head.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Okay. Keep your eyes on the stimulus for me, okay, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Keep your eyes on the stimulus. The next exercise is called the walk and turn, so this is a good opportunity for you to ask for your shoes if you want them.
My flip-flops are sitting right there. Oh yeah.
You want them on? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have Deputy Carpenter grab them for you. Okay.
I was thinking maybe on the passenger side. If they're not there, they're in my garage. So.
Okay.
That's all. I mean,
Yeah, you said you just went up the street, right?
Yeah,
hang
I
out
was
with
just
a buddy.
going to grab another beer in the shop. I'm just being honest.
I got you. When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps, turn, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay, you done with the exercise? Okay, just do me a favor, keep your hands out of your pockets. I didn't take everything out of your pockets.
I definitely would never do anything.
I understand.
No matter what happens tonight, y'all still do a great job, and I appreciate y'all. Thank you, sir.
Well, I appreciate that.
I'm just being serious.
Well, I appreciate that.
I mean, I ain't kissing nobody's ass, because that's not what I do.
No. This one is called the one-leg stand. Okay? And
get your car while I do it.
unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. Alrighty, man. So, what I'm going to need you to do is stand with your feet together like this and your hands down at your side, just like this. Alright? Do not start to perform the exercise until I tell you to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far? So like I said, you can raise whichever leg you feel most comfortable raising. 6 inches off the ground, keeping your eyes on your foot. And count out loud.
Sorry, I'm taking a step.
That's okay. Does this spot feel more comfortable for you?
I'm just being honest.
Go ahead and raise your foot and you can begin.
1001, 1002. Obviously, it doesn't work that well.
You want to keep trying?
If you want me to keep trying, I can.
It's up to you. I can't force you to do it. You know what I mean? Are you ready?
I don't want to deny anything to make myself look guilty of anything.
I gotcha. I mean, if you want to do another try, that's fine. If
I'll give you one more shot.
You want to try it one more time?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, go ahead.
1001, 1002, 1000.
Alright. Can't do it? Okay, that's fine.
Well, I'm standing on.
I understand, but we made it down to a
And don't get me wrong.
more flat spot.
I said, I haven't denied anything, have I?
No, sir. So the reason I brought us the reason I brought us down here is because over here I was even going off balance, right? So down here I was able to do it just fine. I wouldn't ask you to do something I wouldn't be willing to do.
Well,
Does that make sense?
No, sir.
So that's the reason we went down this way. Yeah. So that's the reason we went down this way.
I am not mad one bit.
I gotcha.
You're doing your job.
Alrighty, Mr. James. This one I'm gonna have you stand over here for. All right. This one's called the finger to nose. When I tell you to start, I want you to close both eyes and tilt your head back, keeping your eyes closed and your head tilted back during the entire exercise, okay? So you're gonna stand just like this. I'm not gonna close my eyes because it's an officer safety thing, but I want you to lean your head back and close your eyes.
I got you.
When I tell you to, bring the hand I direct upwards, touching the tip of your index finger to the tip of your nose, okay? So if I were to say left, it's gonna be left, and then back down.
Yes,
all right? Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right. Left.
I light a cigarette and smoke a cigarette. Would y'all get mad?
So we don't have...
Officer Carpenter, can you grab one out of my...
Well, that's up to him right now.
Okay, we're going to hold off on that just yet.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, we're going to hold off on that just yet.
No worries.
You're good, man. You're good. I'm going to be placing you under arrest for DUI as well as fleeing and eluding, okay? Okay.
I'm fucking retarded. Open the door. Come on.
No, I gotta get all your stuff out.
Open the door with all my stuff out. All my stuff out of what?
Your pockets.
There ain't shit in them. Fucking go get it. Come on, tough guy. Let's go. No,
really
now I'm pissed because I fucking really didn't do anything wrong.
Because you drove drunk and you fled.
Yeah, well, I drove.
You drove drunk and you fled from me, and you're getting a speeding ticket too.
I fled from you.
You're getting a speeding ticket too.
Yeah, you know what? It really doesn't matter when I die tomorrow. So.
Okay, why are you dying tomorrow?
Being honest, like, what did I do?
Okay, I already told you what your charges are.
But it was okay for people to do 80 fucking miles an hour by my house, right?
Okay. Well, you're the one I saw.
No, I'm
You're
just
the one
being
I
honest.
saw.
I'm just
Okay,
being
you can be
honest.
honest all you want.
No, this motherfucker knows what I'm talking about. He was with his mom and dad in the villages. Fuck y'all. Y'all are a bunch of pansy-ass motherfuckers.
Okay, that's fine.
Marion County Sheriff's Department. Oh, yeah.
Okay, foot inside.
You're tough.
Hey, James.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been arrested for DUI before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know what I'm about to ask you. It was up north? Okay. Okay, then you probably won't then. I don't know if we do things different around here. Alright, man. So I'm going to read something to you real quick. Okay? Just do your best not to interrupt me, okay? Because then I just got to read it over again. Alright? Alrighty, man. So, I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. If you fail to submit to a breath test or a urine test to determine the content of alcohol in your breath or the presence of chemical or controlled substances therein, will result in the suspension of your privilege to operate a motor vehicle for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or for a period of 18 months if your driving privileges were previously suspended for refusing to submit to such test or tests. It is a misdemeanor for you to refuse to submit to a lawful test of your breath or urine if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for a prior refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath or urine. In cases involving a commercial motor vehicle, the refusal will result in the disqualification of your commercial driver's license privilege for a period of 1 year in the case of first refusal, and permanently for a second refusal in a commercial motor vehicle. Are you going to be willing to submit to a breath test?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. Let's go ahead and have you hop out. If you need help standing or anything, I can help you out.
Oh, I'm good.
Alright, man.
Yeah, all right, man. You're doing your job.
Go ahead and stay over here for me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and grab some of your belongings. Unfortunately, you can't take those shooters into the jail with you, so we're going to have to toss them. Okay.
At the jail, the suspect submitted to a breathalyzer test, yielding results of .204 and .200, nearly 3 times the legal limit. The suspect was subsequently charged with DUI, fleeing to elude a law enforcement officer, and received traffic citations for unlawful speeding and possession of an open container in a vehicle. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content.